Well, here you have it. Amazon special. Slightly customized. We'll get her taped up and see how well it does. I laughed, I cried. Couldn't have done it better myself. Alright. Let's see. Knock this mud off there. Nice little OG XCS10. She floats. Okay, my transmitter seems to be now I'm using a used transmitter that I've dropped 1,000 times on the trail. So when you see it cut out, it's just the transmitter. Oh, actually, I think my transmitter batteries may be down. I should have swapped those out. Oh. Uh-oh. I want to suck in sand. No, I think it's just my transmitter batteries are dying. But she seems to be working pretty good. Let's drain whatever leaked in there out. No, it leaks at the shaft. There ain't nothing I can do about it. quick little modification. Give me as much as I can bend. How about that? Well, thank God for the Hobby Wings, nice and waterproof. Oh, we can't turn because of this little fin. Yeah, we'll change the batteries in the transmitter and see if that makes a difference.